demonstration of the AMiGUI microscope system. I just want to show you how this works. So I'm going to take this plate, I'm going to put it on here. There is a magnetic holder. There's magnets above and below the plexiglass that are holding this plate in position. And I'm going to click view here, and then there's computer controlled lights. I'll turn them both on, and hopefully everything will be nice here. So I'm going to move to the top left position just so you can see what it looks like. Now once you have an image, you can adjust the centering of this image with this part of the GUI. So if I click over here, things will move around. And if you move closer to the middle, then the movements are smaller. So I'll just recenter this. And the idea is that you need to get all four corners nice and centered before you image the entire plate. So let's say I'm happy with that centering. I'll now do the top right corner. And you can see we're off by a bit, so I'm going to move, get the centering just right. And again, I can adjust the focus like this. And I'll set that to the bottom right now. Again, it's off a little bit. It's actually kind of good for the video. And the focus is actually not bad here, so I'm just going to say set. Bottom left. And this one's pretty good, but we'll adjust it anyway. And we'll set this one. Okay, so I'll go back to the top left just because there's some crystals there. And I want to show you that I can now click next, and I'll just keep on going to the next drop. Like that, if you want to manually screen things. Previous will go backwards, or if you right click next, it'll go down a row, or you can right click previous and it'll go up a row. If you're happy with some particular image, this is not an exciting one, but we'll go back to the original one here. Let's say I'm excited about these new crystals and I want to take a snapshot. I can click snap image, and it just captured that image, or I can capture a series of images. In this case, the things are set up so it's going to take 3 images spaced by 0.13 millimeters. And if I right click, you'll see the focus changes a little bit 3 times as it takes the 3 images. Of course, the whole point of the automated microscope is to automatically take pictures of the entire plate, and you do that with run. So you click that, and it's going through. It's going to take 3 images of each drop, and just one after another, and image the entire plate. I think that's the end of the demo.